How to block someone on LinkedIn. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on blocking someone on LinkedIn. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, open any web browser on your device and with the help of the search bar type in linkedin.com. Press enter to come across to the official interface of LinkedIn where you have to sign in. Then you will land on the home page or the home screen of LinkedIn. Here, you can easily use the search icon or you can also search by manually in this way and open the profile of the person whom you want to block on LinkedIn. After you open, click the more button next to the message and here you got the different option to say in profile in a message, save to PDF, connect, report or block and about this profile. Click report or block button. Here are the three options. Simply you have to select the first action that says block. Now, if you are sure that you want to block and you will no longer be connected and will lose any endorsement or recommendation from this person if you block this user on LinkedIn. Click the block button and then you will easily block this user on LinkedIn. Similarly, you can block any other users on LinkedIn and that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.